I don't know why. Something tells me I shouldn't. Never mind. I was gonna say I shouldn't mine down, but I got diamonds from that, bro. I mean, at least I'm mining with 2. That's for babies. I'm gonna mine with 1. Yep. Oh, that's dark. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why is this here? Oh my. Thank you. This just saved my life. There's no diamonds, of course. Alright. 2 diamonds? Perfectly. Oh my god. What? My diamonds! Find diamonds! So I will find diamonds. I need diamonds. I need them. I need diamonds. Oh my god.